All right, let's talk microwaves. A good one heats evenly and lasts for years. A bad one gives you cold spots, burnt popcorn, and quits early. Convection microwaves stand out by combining fast reheating with real baking and roasting. That's why we tested heating performance, presets, build quality, and real-world use. Today, I'm breaking down the 8 best microwaves of 2026, from budget countertop picks to premium convection combos. Let's dive in. Starting at number 8, we've got the Sharp Microwave Drawer Oven, ideal for accessibility. The sleek Sharp Microwave Drawer is perfect for kitchens where accessibility is key, and for those who dislike overhead microwaves. The drawer format is more ergonomic, especially when installed under a counter or in an island, compared to over-the-range or standard built-in microwaves. It opens out, so there's less reaching overhead. The control panel also tucks away to keep things visually clean, a nice touch for modern kitchens. Many owners report online that it performs well across typical tasks like reheating, sensor cooking, and daily use. Users compliment its quick and even heating for many foods, though some say it's not perfectly consistent in every case. Some concerns arise around the control panel, visibility and durability issues, and because there's no turntable, some heat variation is noticeable. If you want something built into your island or lower cabinets for easier access, the drawer design is worth considering. At number 7, we've got the Galanz GLC MKA07BER-07 Retro, where style meets functionality. As far as we're concerned, style is as important as quality in countertop microwaves. Because the appliance will be visible to you and your guests, it must look sleek and clean rather than ugly and archaic. Enter the Galanz Retro Microwave, a bright-colored device with a chrome handle that looks pretty and can perfectly cook food. Not only can you customize the color and choose between a more modern or classic look, but Galanz also offers 3 sizes to accommodate daily microwave needs. A rotating glass turntable keeps the temperature consistent. Galanz has enhanced the product with adjustable power levels, a child safety lock, and a defrost option that actually works instead of cooking whatever you put in it. Anyone who wants to add style to their kitchen would love this eye-catching microwave. It's functional and looks great doing it. Coming in at number 6 is the Toshiba MLEM34PSS, the best smart microwave. Unsurprisingly, practically any kitchen appliance can be found with smart home capabilities. While syncing your microwave to your phone and Amazon Echo may give off "robots are taking over" vibes, the ability to control your device from afar is pretty nifty. Toshiba is already a leader in innovative technology, and its countertop microwaves are no exception. You can manage its use with voice commands, app control, or through its simple button panel. An LED cavity light with Eco Mode helps reduce energy consumption. At the same time, an option to mute sound ensures no annoying beeping noises will disrupt those around you, especially in the wee morning hours when you're getting ready for work. Given its innovative features, this is great for modern homes and those who want to upgrade their kitchen appliances with more creative options. At number 5, we've got the Farberware with Smart Sensor, delivering consistent overall performance. Farberware takes top honors for most consistent overall performance. It's roomy, less than $200, boils water in just under 3 minutes, and boasts a popcorn setting that actually works. This is thanks to the Sensor Cook feature, meaning it detects through steam when something is finished cooking or reheating, so you don't have to worry about burning your meals or second-guessing cooking times. While it isn't the most technologically advanced on this list, it is certainly the most reliable after testing nearly a dozen microwaves. Frankly, consistency and durability should be some of the most important factors to keep in mind while searching for long-term kitchen appliances. We're also big fans of the memory option that allows you to store customized settings so frequent meals can be cooked with a simple press of a button. This is the best option for most people, given its median price and above-average features and performance. Coming in at number 4 is the LG Smart 1.7 cubic feet over-the-range microwave, a genuinely cutting-edge option for modern kitchens. One of the standout features here is scan-to-cook technology. Using LG's ThinQ app, you can scan a barcode on select packaged foods and send the exact cooking instructions straight to the microwave. This model also goes far beyond basic reheating. In addition to standard microwave functions, it includes settings that let you brown, bake, roast, and even air fry, giving it real versatility compared to traditional over-the-range units. That makes it a solid choice for home cooks who want more capability without adding extra countertop appliances. The integrated pocket handle, wide view window, and smooth touch glass controls give it a sleek, modern appearance that fits well in updated kitchens and is easy to wipe clean. Overall, the LG Smart 1.7 cubic feet over-the-range microwave is a strong pick for tech-forward kitchens that want smart features, modern design, and expanded cooking options in one appliance. At number 3, we've got the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 Convection Microwave, one of the most premium-feeling countertop models. The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 has a brushed stainless steel design and soft close door that immediately set it apart. This versatile unit functions as a microwave, convection oven, and air fryer, and even includes a grill element, giving it true multifunctional capability. Breville's Element IQ system and power smoothing inverter help it heat evenly, while the fast combi and cook from frozen settings streamline everything from quick meals to full dinner prep. During testing, the Smart Cook, Smart Reheat, and Smart Defrost modes all performed reliably. The shortcut bar inside the door proved surprisingly handy for melting butter or chocolate without guessing at times or power levels. Even with that drawback, the overall cooking performance, premium build quality, and user-friendly controls make this a strong choice for busy households looking to expand cooking capacity without adding multiple appliances. At number 2, we've got the Panasonic Home Chef 2-in-1 Microwave Convection Oven, the most well-rounded model we tested. The Panasonic Home Chef 2-in-1 immediately stood out in testing thanks to its sleek stainless steel finish and the impressive number of accessories included, which make it feel far more versatile than the average countertop model. With 1,000 watts of microwave power and a 1,100-watt broiler, it's built to handle everything from crisping veggies to reheating leftovers evenly. In testing, the built-in sensor cooking and 18 preset menu items performed reliably. Pasta, pizza, and oatmeal came out evenly heated, and the broil function delivered nicely browned edges without drying the foods out. The air fryer mode worked, but it ran noticeably slower than a dedicated appliance. Our Ninja air fryer outpaced it consistently, so it's better for light, occasional air-fried tasks rather than full replacements. For shoppers who want one appliance that can handle multiple cooking styles, this Panasonic is the most well-rounded model we tested. And that brings us to number 1, the best microwave for most people, the Toshiba EM131A5C. The mid-size Toshiba EM131A5C has a nicer design and a broader range of functions, including convenient instant start settings that many people consider a must-have, than most other microwaves at its price. It performed solidly in our tests. While it didn't heat as quickly, precisely, or evenly as some premium picks, and it's slightly less powerful, it delivers excellent value for the price. This model has a sturdy door handle, which some people prefer over a push button. The EM131A5C is available in 2 finishes, as well as other sizes, giving you flexibility to match your kitchen. For the combination of design, functionality, and price, the Toshiba EM131A5C is the best microwave for most people in 2026. And that's it. The 8 best microwaves of 2026, from budget countertop models to premium convection combos. Best overall is the Toshiba EM131A5C. For convection cooking, the Panasonic Home Chef 2-in-1 stands out. Want premium features? The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1. And for reliable value under $200, the Farberware with Smart Sensor gets it done. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment with the microwave you're using. Catch you in the next one.